my word of advice is make the supreme sacrifice when the right time comes. For now, may hearing naman tayo dito as member po of the Senate Committee, Blue Ribbon Committee. Clear yourself in the DOH, sa lahat po ng empleyado ng DOH, and address COA's findings. Mahal ka ng Pangulo at pinaglalaban ka niya. Alam ko, mahal mo rin ang Pangulo. Desisyon mo na yan pagdating ng panahon. But my advice is make the supreme sacrifice. Alang-alang na lang sa mga kababayan nating Pilipinos.
I would just like to be clarified. Did Senator Go just ask Secretary Duque to resign when he told him to make the supreme sacrifice?
Because that sounds like it. Because when I heard that, I thought that he was already sending a message that you already done so much and you're making a sacrifice, supreme sacrifice. You must make that, and so that life will go on. But
Mr. Chairman, can a senator do that to a secretary or department secretary? Ask him to resign?
Mr. Chair and Senator Ping, advice lang naman po yung akin.
Okay.